Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will learn what are the 5 plugins you need as a beginner in Figma. This video is for beginners who are just getting started in Figma. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch the entire video to use all the plugins in your next project. So let's get started. I'm going to create a new frame. I will give the width and height of the frame to 250, and the first plugin we are going to use is Unsplash. If you right click on the design board, you can see an option for plugin. If you go to plugin, you can see all the recent plugin that I have ran. So the first plugin is Unsplash. You all know what Unsplash is. In Unsplash, you can download free images and use it in your projects. All the images are copyright free images. But going to the website, downloading them and importing them into your project, it's very time consuming. This plugin will help you import the required image directly to your project. Okay, I will just give you a sample. I'm clicking on wallpaper. I'm clicking on the frame that I need to import, and after clicking the image, it will be directly imported to this frame. You can also choose your own images, not from these are just sample images. You can also choose your own images. I'm going to type AI, and you can see all the images related to AI. If you click on this image, it will replace the previous image, and it's very easy. And let's move to the next plugin. The next plugin is color palettes. You will all be having a lot of confusion in choosing colors. Sometimes you might have chosen some colors that are not in a combination. So this color palette generator will be very easy for you to select colors. So I'm going to select this. If I click on the plus icon here, you can see it automatically gets imported here. It's already in group, so if you click on that, you can drag and move anywhere you like. Okay, and the next plugin, okay, so the third plugin we are going to see is Figma to HTML, one of my favorite plugins. So it automatically converts your design to HTML codes. How impressive is that, right? So just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the website that I have designed. So I'm going to select this frame. I'm going to run the plugin again. Yeah, you can see it automatically generated all the HTML codes. So you can just copy the code. Here you can see an option to copy the entire code. You can copy and paste it in your website. How cool is that? And another plugin I need to show to you, this is Mapsicle. So if you want to import your location, I mean in a Google Map format in your project, this is the plugin you need to download. The name of the plugin is Mapsicle. So you can also give custom center for this, and the zoom ratio, width, height, everything. You can also give the style as streets or outdoors or light, everything as you wish. And if you click on create map, sorry, it's getting too much late. Okay, we will close that and open it again. I will open Mapsicle. Yeah, okay, I'll create this. Okay, yeah, you can see. Oops, let's unselect this frame and run it again. Yeah, now you can see this. You can see this is automatically imported. Okay, you can change the width and height by going here, or you can open the plugin again and you can edit the changes via the size. And the next plugin, it's Lodium Ipsum. Whenever you do a project, you don't have content all the time. Sometimes you might be using that for, what to say, just for sample. Okay, here I will show you an example. I have created a sample website. Here you can see under the About Us section, I have imported the Lodium Ipsum plugin. Wait a minute, I will delete and I will show you how I have done that. Press plus T for importing text, and after that you can after you open the plugin, you can see the Lodium Ipsum tab opens and it asks you for whether it should begin with Lodium Ipsum. Okay, no problem for me. And close plugin after generating text. Okay, so here you can have three options: 5 words, 5 sentences, or 5 paragraphs. Now I'm going to select 5 words, and if I click on select, you can see it just imported 5 Lodium Ipsum text. You can use this for your project, for sample projects. You can see the review section here. I have used the same for this review section, about a section. How cool is that, right? And the final plugin that I need to show you is Get Waves. Usually you won't require to use this, but it's also a necessary plugin. It will automatically create waves to a frame. Give me a minute, I will create a frame. I will give the size and width of the frame to 750, and I will adjust this. You can see you can use this for graphs, for dashboard, when you're designing for some dashboards. Yeah, you can see it will be generated automatically in a vector mode. You can also change the color here. You can also scroll this. You can do anything more. It will be okay. So yeah, these are the 5 best plugins that every beginner need to have while using Figma. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.